Protecting the air we breathe and the health of our communities is one of the most important missions at EPA. Today I'm honored to announce this air filtration project at Eastman Avenue Elementary School campus. The project is a result of EPA Region 9's enforcement of California's truck and bus regulations. EPA recently settled with two companies who failed to install particulate filters on some of their heavy-duty diesel trucks that they operated, and failed to verify that trucks they hired for use in California complied with the state rule. The companies will contribute $575,000 towards the installation of air filtration system at schools in Los Angeles and Rialto areas, and pay a total of $225,000 in civil penalties.
¿Cuántos tengo que poner aquí?
Dos.
All our boys and girls today can learn how it's important that we work together to solve problems, how it's important to follow the law, and if you need help remembering, there are fines and people in government to help you be learners, and then we put those dollars to good use here.
You know, we've heard a lot about air pollution in the South Coast region. We've heard how since the 50s and 60s the air quality has improved dramatically. And that's true. We can see clear skies for the most part, most of the time. But the fact of the matter is, we still have the worst air quality in the nation. And we know that air quality has impacts on our youth and our elderly.
Asthma is an everyday challenge for many children, but particularly here where we know Los Angeles is home to moving some 67% of the goods of the nation.
Today we are standing here because your school is near a major roadway. With funding from EPA settlements, your school administrators are taking action to improve indoor air quality and to reduce adverse health effects for more than 1,000 students and teachers at Eastman Elementary.